Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add a PDF to a Mailchimp campaign. First, you need to host your PDF file online. This means uploading it to a service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or directly to your website's media library. Once uploaded, make sure the file is publicly accessible and you have a direct, shareable link. This link is crucial for embedding the PDF into your Mailchimp content. Next, open your Mailchimp campaign and go to the content editor. You can link your PDF from various elements, such as text, an image, or a button. Highlight the text or select the image you wish to make clickable. Then, locate and click the link icon in the editor's toolbar. This action will bring up a small window with several linking options for your content. Now, in the Linking Options window, paste the direct URL of your hosted PDF into the web address field. For optimal user experience, select the option to open this link in a new window. This prevents your subscribers from leaving your email campaign when they click the PDF. If you are linking from text, ensure the link text clearly describes the PDF content. Perhaps download our free guide. Finally, it is essential to thoroughly test your campaign before sending it to your audience. Send a test email to yourself and click on the PDF link. Confirm that the PDF opens correctly in a new browser tab and loads without any issues. This step ensures a smooth experience for your subscribers. After confirming everything works, you are ready to send your Mailchimp campaign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.